President Cyril Ramaphosa not hospitalized. The rumor mill is abuzz on Sunday night regarding the president's health, on the eve of the party's 112th birthday. Presidential spokesperson Vincent Ngwenya has rubbished claims doing the rounds on social media of President Cyril Ramaphosa being rushed to hospital. This comes after Ramaphosa failed to make an appearance during the ANC-NEC National Executive Committee engagements in Mambila. Social media influencer handle @Advoberiru questioned a rumor claiming Ramaphosa is in ICU. He collapsed after told by the NEC to resign with immediate effect for destroying the ANC and country. He suffered a stroke and in ICU. Deputy President Paul Moshatile stood in for the statesman which, according to Ngwenya, he rests at home and is not admitted to the military hospital in Pretoria. According to Newsroom Africa, ANC spokesperson Malenji Bengumatsiri said the president is attending to an unspecified emergency. Ngwenya however called the trending rumors as malicious and says the president is in good health and was never admitted to hospital. The president is fine, he was never hospitalized, and there was no emergency. He attended a meeting and decided to spend the rest of the day at home ahead of a busy week, says Ngwenya. The ANC will be celebrating the party's 112th birthday, where the president is expected to deliver the January 8 statement. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.